Hello, it's Abby from Volkswagen Van Centre Oldham, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used vehicle. This is the Volkswagen Transport's Highline Kombi 2.0 TDI 150 PS, and it currently has around 9,000 miles on the clock with one previous owner. And it comes painted in the stunning candy white finish, which looks absolutely fantastic, with a VW badge detail that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And here are our wheels, which do complement the exterior finish very well while offering a very stylish look to the van. To minimise the risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the powerful wing mirrors do fold when unlocked. And as we access the boot, you'll notice we have a fantastic and spacious boot size with our lashing rings across the surface of the floor, and you'll benefit from the lighting of the ceiling for the added visibility. Also, these doors will open up very wide to allow you to pack up to a loading bay and to maximise your loading space. The twin sliding electrical doors will reveal a lovely and well-maintained interior, as you can see with ISO fixed points at the back, which makes this van perfect for families. And as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features, and around you can see more in detail of the driver's cockpit with plenty of interesting features that we will touch on later. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip. And we also do have our automatic headlight controls and window controls on the side there, and just above the steering wheel we do have a cup holder and plenty of storage space. Over to the infotainment screen for a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing us to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and navigation. Now, we all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps you entertained while in the move with many different stations to choose from. You can never be bored. And finally, with this van you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the sensors ensure safety, especially manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight.